Terry got another one. No, Terry got one. He's going down that way. See if he's going to jump. Go get him, Terry. Whoa, that's another good sized one. Woo, woo, woo. Going that way, going that way. Man, it was close. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Okay, so you got yourself one.
Ah, seagull. Oh, man. I hope he didn't swallow that thing. Ah, seagull action. Another seagull action. Man. No, he's still on, I think. He lost it? Oh, man. No, he still got it, I think. I don't know. Oh, he swallowed it? Oh, man. Yeah, careful, gonna bite you there, right, Cathryn? Nope. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Bring it up. Here you
Cathryn.
Yeah, it's right there.
Got it. Shoot, you're not gonna swallow it. Oh, you need a plier?
Nope.
Good. All right.
Alright, you ready?
Okay, you have to lift it up, see what else you might be tangled up. Careful, don't bite you.
Put that right there.
Oh, yeah, that guy bites.
Hold on.
Yeah, wrap his head. Oh, careful, yeah, bite me twice. There we go. Hold his beak. Thanks, Cathryn. And on his way. On the other side. Gotcha. All right, Cathryn. Good job. Ah, wild one you got one. Thank you, Cathryn.
Good wild catch there.
I know, man. It's rare. Yeah, I know.